Welcome to Veg Kid Kitchen, kid created and plant powered. Let's make cherry chocolate chip oatmeal cookies.
What's up, guys? Another episode of Veg Kid Kitchen. Well, today we are going to make special holiday edition where we are going to make some cookies. My elf inspired me to make this. So now the ingredients are flour, baking soda, ground cinnamon, salt, butter, brown sugar, eggs, vanilla, oats, cherries, chocolate chips. And combine the butter and the sugar. Here it goes. Stir all of this big chunks up.
This is where you gotta use your muscles.
Okay, what do vegans use instead of eggs? Well, we're gonna use chickpeas. We actually use the juice instead of the eggs. Because dairy uses the yolk. And we use this. So now we're adding the vanilla. Do not eat it plain. It tastes terrible. It tastes terrible. And I regret that. I know it sounds refreshing and delicious, but it's not. Trust me. It smells really good. Now, combine the flour and baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. Okay, fine. The cinnamon. Awesome. Time for the mixing. My favorite part. I think this part is fine.
Now add your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients and stir until mixed. It does.
But did I make peanut butter?
You did not.
This?
2 cups of oats.
Oats? Looks like just flakes of peanuts. Okay, that's definitely 2 cups. Some chocolate chips, the whole thing. That's gonna be a lot of chocolate chips. Get the whole thing now. Get a close up of this. Get a close up of this. You need to get a close up. It worked a lot better than I anticipated. Okay. Oh my god. I'm literally trying out full strength. This is not mixing.
Put it in your hand and make it into a snowball.
Like this?
Yep. Roll it into a ball.
I don't know how.
Like that.
Like this?
Like this. The palm of your hand to make it into a ball.
Did it?
Thank you. Good job.
No, I can't eat it. It's not double yet.
It is actually because it's vegan.
Yeah.
So you don't have to worry. Before baking, place your dough into the refrigerator for 2 hours.
Later. Bake at 350 degrees for 7 minutes. This cookie is for my elf. There we go. It's so crunchy. Okay, it's really crunchy. It's really delicious. It's really good. I love it. Complete. I love it. Great. Bye-bye to the kitchen. Bye.